Wanna go for a ride?
Sure, Ken.
Well, forget it.
I'm an ugly girl. My face makes you hurl. Sad I have it. I should bag it. Acne everywhere. Unwanted facial hair. I'm a relation to Frankenstein's creation.
You're so ugly, you disgust me.
I'm a bland, homely girl, all alone in the world. I'm as flat as a board, thin and lanky.
You're a dog and a troll. Were you hit by a train? Don't go near you, cause your breath is skanky.
Don't get touched, I'm afraid. Cause guys say I'm an eyesore. Ooh, I'm an ugly girl, my face makes you hurl. Sad I have it, I should bag it. Acne everywhere, unwanted facial hair. I'm a relation to Frankenstein's creation.
You're so ugly, you disgust me.
Boo hoo hoo, yeah.
You're so ugly, you disgust me.
Ooh, ooh. Oh, let's go out and have some fun.
I'm sorry, but you're too damn ugly.
Oh, screw you, Ken.